Good morning, dear students. This PowerPoint presentation will be explaining you about the books, notebooks we are going to use for mathematics for standard 5. You have to make single line oblong or long notebook for mathematics. The mathematics notebook looks like this. You have to make two such long single line mathematics notebooks. Name them notebook 1 and 2. Please do not name them classwork or homework. Leave the first page blank. Later when you get the syllabus, we'll write syllabus on this page so that you don't have to be panicked to see the syllabus. Just turn your first page of both the notebooks and you will get ready-made syllabus over there. From next sheet, you start your maths work. Few things to be kept in mind before we start doing maths work. Always use pencil and ruler to draw lines, margins and geometric figures. Write only with blue ink pen or blue gel pen. Now let me explain you the different steps we are going to involve in our notebooks. This is the page of your notebook. It will look like this. Margin, which is thick as index finger, drawn by ruler and pencil. You can see here, this is the margin drawn. Straight line drawn with the help of pencil and ruler. Then counting from bottom, 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to draw a line and this area will be used for rough work. We'll write date, day and classwork or homework depending upon the type of work on top right hand side. This is the place for your date, day and classwork homework. Then we'll use the first line. We'll write chapter number, then chapter name followed by chapter name. If chapter name is bigger and you need 2 lines, you can use the second line as well. Then after that we'll write exercise number and we'll leave a line. Then we'll start the exercise. Before we start the exercise, make sure that you give the same question as well as sub-question numbers as given in your mathematics book. So this is question number 1 with sub-question. Always write full question and then only start solving the sum so that you do not have to refer your book for question every time. After you finish one question, we'll draw a line and then we'll write the second sub-question or followed by question. There are some do's which we are going to follow. Always draw right hand side margin which is as thick as index finger with the use of pencil and ruler. Always write date, day and classwork or homework. Always mention chapter number, name and exercise number even if we are continuing the chapter next day or when we are starting a chapter. Always copy questions properly. Always do rough work at the space provided at the bottom of the page. Always draw line with the use of pencil and ruler. We have some don'ts. Never ever tear page from your notebook. If mistake is made, cross the page with the help of pencil and ruler and write please omit it. Never do rough work at the back of your notebook. Never use the right hand side margin for rough work. Never scribble. If made a mistake, cut it once and rewrite it neatly. This is your mathematics book. I am sure all of you have bought this book. We have got another book with the name Mental Maths Book 5, which we will be doing as and when required. Please put cover on your book and notebooks. Keep your books and notebooks tidy. Keep all these instructions, do's and don'ts in mind and follow them throughout this academic year without fail. Wishing you all happy mathematics learning. Thank you, children.